software operation for the REECO Soldering Robot. In the main window of the program, immediately upon launch, the user can choose the method for programming the REECO Soldering Robot. 3 modes are available: programming using Gerber files and a camera, using only Gerber files, or using the camera alone. The software is fully compatible with standard REECO soldering robots equipped with the RCX340 controller, both models with edge conveyors and those with rotary tables. The user can also select the soldering method: point soldering or point-to-line soldering. Each project can be saved in the program's memory, allowing it to be edited or previewed later. A key feature of the software is the ability to import and work with Gerber files, as well as to use live camera feed for detecting soldering points. Additionally, the software allows direct robot control via the jogging panel. This enables the user to read errors and alarm signals, set movement speeds, change tools, preview arm position, and quickly teach points. The program provides quick access to the point table and enables reading and verification of programs saved on the controller. Advanced users can also utilize command line instructions. After adding a Gerber file, the software automatically predefines the soldering points. This facilitates fast and intuitive programming, with the ability to input reference data such as rotation angle and reference points, which are then used to calculate positions for the robot arm or tool. The required file is a Gerber file containing the drill profile, representing the layout of holes on the PCB. Optionally, additional layers may be added to assist in identifying soldering points. The next step is to select 2 reference fiducial points located as far apart as possible. The software records their coordinates in memory and uses them for positional correction. The user can now choose the soldering method, point or line, and define the direction and approach angle of the soldering tip. The order in which points appear in the Gerber file corresponds to the soldering sequence in the program. In the case of line soldering, 2 extreme points must also be selected. Next, the program parameters are defined, including robot movement speed, number of soldering profiles, range of soldering points within the program, optional linear soldering speed, and tip approach angle to the soldering point. Profiles and their parameters can be easily assigned to individual points and edited as needed. Calibration of the previously selected reference points on the PCB can be performed using either the soldering tip or the camera. The camera is then moved to the previously defined reference points, and those points are saved in the program for later calculation of soldering coordinates. The vision system is also equipped with an additional illuminator. After saving the reference points, the program recalculates the data from the Gerber file. The generated soldering points can now be assigned appropriate soldering profiles, specify which points should trigger the tip cleaning procedure, and then be saved to the controller's memory. The generated soldering points can be verified by moving the soldering tip to them and observing the robot's motion. The entire process of programming Gerber points includes loading the drill file, selecting reference points, defining soldering points with appropriate angles and sequence, calibrating via camera, and parameterizing the points whose coordinates are automatically translated into the robot's coordinate system. An analogous programming process can be carried out using the vision system. The user moves the camera over a point, defines the soldering direction, saves the point to the table, and then assigns it the appropriate profile. The software provides predefined raster offsets for components, which facilitate navigation. The coordinates are generated for the Yamaha RCX340 controller used in the device and saved directly to its memory. In the next step, similarly to working with Gerber files, previously taught points can be selected, soldering profiles can be assigned, and tip cleaning procedures defined for selected points. Coordinates are then generated for the Yamaha RCX340 controller and saved to its memory. An automatic point recognition function is also available. The system independently numbers the points, prepares the soldering sequence, and allows assignment to procedures and further editing. The program enables verification and editing of points saved on the controller, as well as direct editing of complete soldering programs in a dedicated editor. Compared to the standard RCX software, This system offers a much more intuitive environment for creating, editing, and managing soldering programs. It includes Gerber file import, creation and editing of points, assignment of soldering procedures with definable time parameters, and, optionally, additional process settings such as solder feed rate and tip temperature control.